Assalamualaikum. Hi class, we are going to continue with solving differential equation using integrating factor. Alright, so we have done with the first two example, dy dx plus 3y equals to e minus 3x done, xy prime minus 2y equals to x squared also done. Right, now let's do the third example, dy dx equals to 1 plus 5y. Alright. So as you can see, this equation is also not in the basic form where you have y on your right hand side, right? So we cannot have y on our right hand side. So first step is to make this into the basic form, right? So we have dy dx equals to 1 plus 5y. So in order to make it into the basic form, we're going to minus 5y on both sides, right? So minus 5y equals to 1 plus 5y minus 5y equals to 0, right? So from here, we can straight away take out our px equals to negative 5 and qx equals to 1. Alright, so proceed with the second step, which is finding our mu. Alright, so mu is equals to exponent of the integral of px, right? In this case, px is negative 5, right? So we're going to integrate negative 5 with respect to x. And integrating negative 5 with respect to x, we're going to get e negative 5x. Alright, so now that we have our mu, we can proceed with the third step. Right, the third step is to solve for mu times y equals to integration of mu times qx dx. Right, and we're going to deal with the right hand side first. So substitute mu is equals to e negative 5x, right? And qx is just 1, right? Let's just put 1 there, times dx. Alright, in order to solve this, we need to use the substitution rule, right? So we are going to take negative 5x to let it become u, right? So let u equals to negative 5x. So we get du equals to negative 5 dx, and we're going to multiply both sides by 1 over negative 5. Alright, so now that we have our u equals to negative 5x, we can substitute into our integrals, right? So e from negative 5x, substitute with u, and dx substitute to du over negative 5, right? So du over negative 5, right? And I'm going to take 1 over negative 5 out of the integrals. So simplify our integrals, eu du. Alright, now the antiderivative of EU is EU plus C. Alright, so we get EU. U is negative 5x, so I'm going to straight away replace it with negative 5x. Alright. Plus C. Alright, and be careful, this is not our final answer yet. Right? Why? Because on our left hand side we still have mu times y. Right? So I'm going to bring that down. Right? So mu y, this thing bring down. Right? So we have mu is equals to e negative 5x times y. Right, multiplying both sides by e power of 5x, we're going to get y equals to e 5x multiply e negative 5x over 5 plus c. And of course you can also expand this to get something else, but there's no significant difference, so I'm going to leave this as my final answer.